We're right now in Franklin Township, New Jersey, on Bunker Hill Road. Not to be confused with the Battle of Bunker Hill. The Battle of Bunker Hill was in Massachusetts. So this is Bunker Hill Road. Points of interest on Bunker Hill Road are the Bunker Hill Golf Course. It's not a very long road, trust me. But it is a very nice, scenic type road. Max Powers here once again on my 2018 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. Got to mention that. We got to give props to HD. Got to give props to, man, this is a comfortable bike, man. You know, people say that the touring bikes are great for traveling cross country, and that is true. However, to me, they're great for banging around town as well. Very comfortable bike. It's currently 75 degrees on Sunday. What a beautiful day. There's the golf course up that way. So we're going to travel along the canal. It's a short trip, but it's also a very a nice road to travel. I mean, motovlogs are not earth-shattering. Motovlogs are just basically narrating your own ride. So I'm always thinking in my head anyway, so I might as well, why not just talk about it? To me, it's fun. A motovlog is fun. So we are now on Canal Road, Griggstown, New Jersey. There's a one-lane bridge here that always floods out on the way into Belmead, and right near this one-lane bridge, there's a canoe rental place that we've been renting canoes here to go down the Griggstown Canal since we were kids. And it's up at this intersection coming up. I'm going to be going by it. I don't think I'm going to be stopping, but if you ever want to do a nice little trip, here's the parking for the canoe. There's the canoe rental right here. And people want to pull out right there. All right. And to your right, you can see it. You can see the Griggstown Canal. Try to get an open spot. You can see the canal. You also have right on the other side of that canal, you have the Millstone River. You can canoe down that as well. A little bit of a faster body of water. Watch a lot of bicycles here. It's a narrow road. It's a little bit of a quick road, but it's a beautiful little short little jaunt. And Griggstown, New Jersey. And you thought New Jersey was just about congestion and factories and pollution and lack of countryside. Couldn't be farther from the truth. While it is, and it can be congested in certain areas, it's a very concentrated state. You've got a lot of beautiful areas in New Jersey. You know, it's called the Garden State for a reason. There you go, good shot of the canal. Originally, this area was populated by American Indians, the Lenape Indians. We've got a lot of artifacts that have been pulled out of the ground, arrowheads, things of that nature. Then you had a European settlement come. The only reason I know this is because I Googled it, so I don't think I'm some kind of historian or anyway, but I thought it was interesting. And so it's primarily Dutch. And this canal here was dug out by immigrants and settlers and things like that, and they actually used it to transport coal from Pennsylvania. So I don't know where it starts, where it ends, but a little bit of history there. And I stress a little bit, and that's it. I'm done with the history lesson. Although in the Battle of Princeton was fought in I think it was 1775. Princeton's not too very far from here. And I know that American and British troops marched along this area around 1777. So it is historic. And now Harley Davidson, that's right. The oldest continuous motorcycle company. Harley Davidson rides along those very same banks of the canal that the George Washington did. Now, can't get any more patriotic than that, can you?